topic that I want to share with you all. How you want to be the new me? By providing the e-tuition learning platform. Something new that you can give to your kids for this new year. A new year gift that's something that's going to help them to be better this year compared to last year. Why? Because by having the e-tuition learning platform, you can help your kids to be prepared before they go for the 2025 learning academic. Wow, wonderful, right? So can you imagine once they go into the 2025 academic in school somewhere mid-February, okay, the teacher going to teach them the first topic, and once the teacher asks question, and your kid's going to be the first one to lift up their hand and answer the question and be the top in this class. Wow, that feeling is awesome. Not only for the kids, but also for you. And you can give yourself a big tap on the shoulder because you already prepared them earlier, which is now. So for that to happen, don't forget to check out our website and also contact our teammates, or you can also send PM. You can PM us, DM us, send us message so that our team can help you how to get the e-tuition learning platform as an early New Year gift for your kids. Wow! Aren't you happy? I'm so excited because first of all, as I told you, the e-tuition live classes, our teachers are really expert in their class. They really know what they're teaching and they can really tackle the students' problem. Okay? Yes, it's online class, but do you realize that by learning online, they can also learn as one-to-one, because in the house when they learn, they are not distracted with other students. They are not distracted with other situations. They and the teacher only in the class. Yes. Imagine if you send your kids to the tuition center. Just a situation, okay? Okay. Do you know actually they are focusing in the class? Are you sure they are focusing in the class? And now since the syllabus is tough, okay, are you really sure you can coach them if they have any questions? But by having our e-tuition live classes and they're studying at home, right, you can also listen to what they're learning, and you yourself can be a par with them, and whenever they ask questions you can counter answer them. Wow, you can also learn at the same time. Okay, that's very important, because when kids ask us questions and we are able to answer them, they will have a trust and they will be our friends also. Okay, so do we have to have the bonding time? Okay, so talking about the bonding time, that's the new me that I want you to have in this 2025. Okay, maybe last year you didn't have much time of the new me. So this year, make sure you have the new me concept of bonding time with your kids. Okay, this we can have by having 10 to maybe 5 or 10 minutes with your kids. Okay, example. Okay, maybe you can have some story time with them, listening to some stories, or watching some videos, or doing some activities together. Okay, here I can link you with here is where I can help you to tell that our e-tuition learning platform can also be a bonding time session with your kids. How? Okay, let's say you have standard 1 kids. Okay, so they want to go to standard 1. You are also anxious to know what are they going to learn. So once you go to the topical practice, okay, maybe you can have 1 day 1 subject. Okay, click on the topical, go for the first topic. So you click on the question, ask them to answer. Here, the 3M will come in. How? You are encouraging them to read the question. Reading, membaca. Okay, so once they read, they're going to answer. So once they answer, you can catch them. whether they understand what they are reading or not. Okay, so that's the purpose of reading. You have to read and understand. If they don't know the answer, means one, maybe they are not sure of what they read, or they don't know how to answer. Okay, so here the bonding time comes in, which means, let's say your kid is weak in Bahasa Melayu, you can use the BM subject to make them understand the words and then help them to answer the questions. That's where the bonding time come in. So when you sit with them, do the practice together, you're not only learning about their weakness, but you're also helping them to overcome their weakness. Here the bonding time gives a really special moment because your kid's going to be very happy to have you with them. Right? Yes. And then for the topical notes, let's say you think that the topic is a bit advanced. So how you can do that? You can go and look at the notes. Okay, you can read the notes, look at the images that we have in the notes, the colorful illustration that we have. Okay, use that and read together with your kids, your children. Okay, reading takes place there, and for mathematics, of course, counting going to come in. So you can make sure they do the 3M there. Reading, writing when it comes. Okay, writing is when you ask them to do the counting. So when they want to write, or you want to ask them to copy again the writing, the story. Okay, that's where the writing comes in. Okay, so you have to make sure you instill the 3M during the time bonding. That's how you have them. Okay, and that is for topical practice and topical notes that you have in our eTuition learning platform, which you can use during the bonding time. See, you don't have to go and find out for other resources, other materials for your bonding time. You can still use our eTuition learning platform. And apart from that, I told you about Guru AI, right? Yes, you can use our Guru AI during your bonding time. Ask questions which you can help your kids to develop their knowledge in that particular subject. Okay, and you can also collect the points for the quiz for your kids. You can play the quiz together with your kids during the bonding time. Wow, awesome, right? Yes, you're not only going to have the bonding time together with your kids, but you're also going to help them to overcome their weakness. So when you do that as a practice with them, they will have more trust with you, and they'll try to love you more, and the time that you spend together will be very, very special, not only for them but also for you. Okay, so that will be the new me that you can have. Okay, so the first one, let me recap. The first one will be our eTuition learning platform, something new that you're going to give as a New Year gift for them this year, so that they can improvise themselves, become better compared to last year. Next will be the bonding time. Okay, maybe last year you have bonding time but less, or you didn't have at all. But this year, maybe you can increase and include the bonding time with your kids. Okay, so this bonding time actually includes with some activities that you can do during weekend. Example, maybe you can have some outdoor activities or indoor activities with all your kids. Okay, there are some examples that you can do. Okay, and what else you can do as new me? You have any comments you can share? Maybe you have any other ideas? Please put in the chat box, in the comment box, please. I'll be looking forward for your awesome ideas as well. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to the live session with Tutor Nandi, collaboration with MyNaps eTuition. Okay, so the topic that we are going to discuss today is about the new me, and I'm Tutor Nandi over here, and I'm one of the ELC teachers. So if you're interested to join our eTuition learning platform, don't forget to visit our website and contact PM or DM our team so that they can assist you accordingly. Another thing that I want to tell you, our eTuition learning platform is available for year 1 until Form 5 students. Okay, And the good news is we're going to have a preschool as well. So what are you waiting for? Quickly, quickly and quickly come and grab the opportunity and give something new, a new gift for your kids this new year. Okay? Yes, we're going to have preschool, we're going to have primary school and also secondary school. So what are you waiting for? It's a good thing that you can do for your kids before they enter the 2025 academic year, mid-February. Okay, now we're already in January, very fast, already 6th already. And then after 2 weeks, I think in mid-January, we're going to have school holiday already. So mid-January until mid-February is going to be a school holiday. So during the school holiday, you can do preparation before they go to the academic class. But how if you think that you want to give something different for your kids? Aha! That's another new me that I want to share with you. What is that? Okay. We also have school holiday program. Yes. Some schools already finished the exam, right? So your kids are kind of free nowadays, right? And do you want to give them something extra? Something new? A new skill for the new me, new year this year? Yes. You can also give them extra knowledge by registering them with our school holiday program. Why? Why the school holiday program, teacher? Okay. The school holiday program actually, we have 5 interesting new skills for kids to learn before they go for their academic classes. Okay, some kids might not like to do academic portion of studies during the school holiday. They want something new, right? Okay, they're already busy doing preparation for the exam. Now they want to relax. But we have to make sure they do something very useful for them so that when they enter the school, it'll be very, very helpful for them, right? So for that, our eTuition learning platform already come up with our eTuition enrichment program, okay, which we call as school holiday program. What we have in our school holiday program, we have STEM classes, we have public speaking classes, Malay and English version, okay, we have maths classes and also time management class. Sorry, money management. Money management. Okay, so we have all these classes. So I repeat again: money management class, STEM class, maths class, public speaking class, and also class pengucapan awam, which means public speaking in Malay and also in English. We have both versions. Why? Because kids nowadays, they really have to be need to help them to brush up their skill in BM and also in English. So by to look into that, we can help them to brush up their skill using our classes, which is our public speaking in English and also in Malay, pengucapan awam. Okay, you know, when they go out there in public, they want to express themselves, they don't know which word to use, how to expose, how to share their idea. So we need to help them. Okay, since we are working and we don't have time, I understand. So we can have this kind of program for them to help and develop their skill. And the same thing, it's online and we do have recording. So you can have this for them and they can go for the classes. Classes are all in the after evening, which means after work. You can also sit down with sorry, excuse me. So after class, you can also sit down with them and have your bonding time done, and you can also learn the new skill together with your kids, right? So it's one day, one class, so you don't have to worry, it's not going to clash anywhere. So you're going to have bonding time and also learn new skills together with your kids. Okay, so it's called School Holiday Program. That School Holiday Program is available for Standard 1 until Form 3 kids. Okay, So we have them in our e-tuition learning platform. So for more information, you can visit our website, and also you can check out with our team members. You can check out with our e-tuition team, okay, and you can PM us so that you can get more info from our teammates. Okay. Hi Kuchipo. Hi, welcome to the live. I'm Twitter Nandi over here. So if you have any idea about the new me that you want to be this year, you can share in the chat box. Okay. So anything, I'm going to wait here until I have some comments, and don't forget to tap on the screen. Anything anyone want to share over here in the chat box? If any questions, you can ask in the chat box, in the comment box. Don't forget to get more info about our e-tuition learning platform, which is available for year 1 until form 5, and we also are going to have preschool for students, okay, preschool students, okay, which means you're going to cover from preschool, primary school, and also secondary school, okay, all level, yeah. And we're also going to have school holiday program. We already have school holiday program, so it's ongoing already. So don't forget to enroll your kids for the school holiday program as well. Okay, so for that you can contact our team. Don't forget to go and visit our website and check out with our team so they can assist you accordingly on how to enroll and get into our classes. Okay, so if you have any questions over here, you can ask about our new me topic or about our e-tuition learning platform. Don't forget to tap. Don't forget to tap on the screen. I hope you like today's topic. Do you have anything else that you want to share? You can share in our comment box. Anyone here, you want to share tap on the screen? Okay, let's see whether we can have more tap on the screen. Okay, so what's your New Year resolution? Anything that you already think of? Was my new me idea interesting? Okay, how about it? Are you interested? Okay, so can I see in the chat box? Do you want to have something new? You want to give something new? You want to give a gift for your kids, for your children? Check out our e-tuition learning platform. We have for SK, SJKC, SJKT, and also for secondary level. Okay, so for more information, don't forget to check out our team. Okay, you can go and visit our website and contact our team so that they can assist you accordingly. Okay, so please share this live with all your contacts so that more students out there, more parents out there knows about what's going on in our e-tuition learning platform. As I mentioned, we have lots of interesting tools in our e-tuition learning platform. They're going to help your kids to learn independently. Okay, so back to the study schedule that I told you just now, right? So that study schedule is going to help them to learn with discipline. Okay, first of all, make sure once you're back from school, they rest, and then they finish up their homework. Okay, once they finish up their homework, let them play for a while. Okay, but if they're afternoon school, how am I going to set the study schedule? Do you have any question about that? Okay, let me give you some solution. Okay, For the study schedule, especially for the afternoon school students, what you can do is once they're back from school, of course, they're going to be very tired, right? So let them enter our classes, okay? Make them have some food meal before that, okay? Let them relax and enter our class. So once they enter our ELC class, they will get some information, they can learn something at home. You don't have to rush them to send for the physical class outside there. Come back from school, rush them, ask them to mandi, take shower and all that, and send them for the physical class. They're going to be very rushing, right? But if you have our e-tuition live classes, it's going to be online. So you don't have to rush them. Okay, wherever they are, you just have to log in and just go into the classes. Okay, once they are done, ask them to do some topical practices and rest. The next day, ask them to finish their homework before they go to school. Make that as a habit. Finish the homework before you go to school. Don't tell tomorrow I don't have that subject in my schedule. I don't want to do. Don't make that a habit. Today's homework finish before the next class. Right? So that's very, very important. Only then you don't accumulate your work. Okay, that's another tips. Okay, so that's how you prepare the study schedule for them. Make sure the study schedule have about their school info, have about their relaxing time, homework time, and also study time. That's very, very important. Okay, so that's all that I want to share today. So do you have any other questions? Any other questions over there? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. Those who are here, welcome, welcome to the live. Don't forget to tap, tap, tap on the screen so that you can have more engagement with Tutor Nandi and also with e-tuition. And we know all of you are here so that we can have more live sessions and share a lot of information with you all. Okay? So, till then, I'll see you all in the next session. So, if you have any questions, you can ask. Do you have any questions over here? Okay, so I repeat back here regarding the school holiday program and also about the what do you call e-tuition learning program. You can contact our teammates. Okay, don't forget to go and check out our website and contact our teammates so that they can assist you accordingly. Okay, so can we see who we have today? Any questions over there that you want me to assist you? Okay, hi, Chain to the Rhythm. Hi, 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 Bulan. Hi, okay, to those who are here, hi, hi, hi. And those who are not here, make sure all your friends are inviting you. Okay, those who are here, don't forget to invite your friends so that they can get more info and they know what to do this year. Okay, today is only 6, not even 1 week, so they still have time to be the new me. Okay, so welcome, welcome to the live. I'm Tutor Nandi over here. So let me share with you some information before I just want to wrap up. Okay, just want to wrap up before we end the live session. Okay, what I mentioned just now was about the new me. Okay, what I mean by new me is having something new this year compared to last year to make yourself better this year. Okay, so that's the first thing I told you. Second thing I told you about study schedule. Those who missed it, this is the wrap up, yeah? So those who just joined, if any question, you can ask in the chat box, in the comment box, okay? So first of all, it was about the study schedule. Okay, make sure your kids have the study schedule. Help them to prepare the study schedule. Okay, and then next will be the you have something new. You give them a new gift this year. Okay, a gift that's going to transform them to be the new me and score well in their exam or in their assessment and see some progress in their studies. That is by giving them the awesome gift, which is our e-tuition learning platform, because our e-tuition learning platform had a lot of tools, interesting tools are going to help them to develop their studies progress. Yeah, because we have our Guru AI, we have our topical practice, we have our topical notes, we have our quizzer with rewards, we have live classes with recordings. So all these we have, so you can help them. Next is creating bonding time. It's very, very important. Maybe last year you had less bonding time, so this year you can have more bonding time with them. Okay, and another thing is, last but not least, make sure you prepare your kids before they go to the academic year, especially to those who are going to enter preschool and standard 1. Make sure your kids are prepared with the 3M skills. Don't wait for the teacher to mold them. You can also help them with our daily activities at house. Okay, by just doing some reading, by just doing some counting, basic counting, by just doing some basic writing. Okay, so improvise in that. Okay, compared to last year, maybe this year you can have some bonding time, increase the bonding time by evolving with them with some activities connected with 3M, connected with studies, so that you're not only encouraging them to study, but you're also having some bonding time with them. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can share in the chat box, or you can share in the comment box. Okay, if not, that's it, and we can end the session today. And let me ask the host, yeah. Okay, while waiting for the response, can we see whether we have any other students out there, any other parents out there who wants to share something about themselves, how they prepare for their kids, for themselves, for this new year? Anyone want to share their life, what do you call, life goal, life setting that they already did for this year to improve their lifestyle, especially compared to last year? Okay, I see you all in the next session. Till then, take care and bye. Signing off, Tutor Nelly. Don't forget to check out our website.
Ababu, saya Hamdan dengan Akigel. Aida, terima kasih Aida hadir.